Hello everybody, and welcome back to Alaska Rural Homestead. I'm Michelle. It's about -6 degrees here in Alaska, but we need to get the goats out to get some exercise, and occasionally we let them out of their little pen into the dog area after we get it all cleaned up and let them get some exercise. Plus, our new Border Collie puppy, Charlie, which is roughly about 6 months old, he's in training. He will be, hopefully next year when we get our cattle, he'll be herding the cattle, and we plan on getting some sheep, and he'll be also herding the goats out in the hayfield. So let me go ahead and get them out and give you a peek. Come on, girls. Come on, girls.
And Princess has to be treated like a princess. Come on, Charlie. Let's go.
Good boy. Good boy.
Charlie, come. Charlie. Sit. Good boy. Charlie, come. Good boy. Come on, Charlie. Come on, good boy.
So I just brought the goats in from the outside pen just because it was starting to get really breezy out there, and it is -6 degrees outside, and with the wind going, it makes it pretty darn chilly. And I thought I'd bring you back in here into their little housing area because I know you guys enjoyed the previous video of winter chores on the homestead. So I thought I'd bring you in here. Dolly. So I just gave them some of their goat minerals, and they just love this stuff, and it's really good for them, especially during the winter months. But I love to come out here and spend time with the girls just because it creates a good bond with your animals. And goats, if you don't know, have a really super memory. When you create a good bond with your animals, it really helps when you go to put them on the milking stand or trim their hooves. And I need to get in here and kind of clean up. And while I'm cleaning, I wanted to check on Baby. Baby is over here. She is the pregnant one. I named her Baby because she is a lover and a snuggler. And, you know, when you bond with your goats, you really learn their personality. And right now, Baby is getting kind of sassy because she is pregnant, and I really didn't plan on having a winter baby, but she did get out and mingle with the boys a little bit, and I know she's pregnant. I have felt her belly. I've felt a little bit of movement, but not too much kicking, and our goats usually have 2 or 3 kids, so I'm really trying to keep an eye on her right now, and I'll try to keep you guys posted on that. And if you guys have not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our page, and hit that bell so you can be notified when we have more videos. All right, come here, baby. Look how big her belly is getting. Let me see. Hold on. I don't really feel too much movement. And that's the thing. I'm really hoping she does not have the babies in the cold winter months, which is usually January and February. I just pray she doesn't have them in those months. Come back here. I wanted to show you their hay feeder and their little bedding area. I am trying to do a little sprucing up because I kind of like to keep this clean, but goats are so funny. They love to waste. No matter what type of feeder you have, they are going to waste hay. And they usually won't eat off the ground. But I like to kind of keep this spruced. And the hay acts as an insulator. That's why I don't really clean up too much of the hay. I just want to clean up this area a little bit, just because that's my thing. All right, you guys, So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.